This video will cover best practices and tips for using the JT Eaton Stretch Long Strong extension poles. The long strong poles come in two sizes. The smaller pole is 3 feet long when collapsed, to fit easily in truck beds and the cabs of cars. When expanded, the 3-foot pole can reach up to 15 feet. The larger size long strong extension pole compacts to 5 feet and extends to 24 feet. Today I am using the 3 to 15 foot pole, but the best practices I'm about to show you relate to the 5 to 24 foot pole as well. When you first receive your JT Eaton Stretch Long Strong pole, it will come with a small Allen wrench, also known as a hex key. It is important to hold on to this hex key as it is needed to adjust the tension in each section of the pole. Let's take a closer look at the pole itself. The pole is made up of multiple sections, and there are 2 hex screws on each section: the clamp screw and the section tension screw. When you first receive your pole, these screws will be tightened to the furthest extent. Before you start expanding the pole, use the hex key to loosen each screw. This will make sure the pole opens properly. After you've loosened all the screws, you can extend the pole. To do this, begin by opening the clamp lock on the largest section and pulling on that section to extend. The pole will click when it is fully extended. Do not pull further after you have heard the click. Once you have extended a section, close the clamp lock. The clamp locks do not require excessive force. Simply latch them closed with normal pressure. If you find that a section is too loose when clamped, it may need tightening. Do not use excessive force to tighten the screw. This could cause too much tension on the sectional gasket and result in breakage. Now that you know the best practices for using your Stretch Long Strong extension pole, you are ready to take it into the field. The pole is compatible with most scrapers, duster heads, or any other extension pole attachments. Thank you for watching this JT Eaton instructional video. For any questions regarding Stretch Long Strong extension poles, please contact csr@jteaton.com.